How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And what about you?
I'm also pretty well, quite well. Thank you for asking me. So,
That's
how are
great.
you so far?
Yeah, everything is going good. So, would you give me your brief introduction because we are meeting first time?
Yes, ma'am, of course. I would like. Okay, so my name is Sarvesh Kumar, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh, and my district name is Prayagraj. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation, and after that I did law. So currently I'm preparing for government job related to law because I have done my law. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are listening to music, playing cricket, and reading books. That's all about me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to tell my.
So, let me introduce myself as well. Okay.
Go.
So, Sarvesh, tell me something about your journey that how did you start your English learning and when did you think that English learning is must for you?
To be honest, I'm telling you, ma'am. When I was child, so that time I wanted to learn this language because you can say this is my passion. And that time I wanted to become a fluent speaker. I don't know why, but that time you can say there was no environment in this language, and because my native language is Hindi, so you can understand. And my whole family members and like all villagers, they speak always Hindi language. And I'm also Hindi medium student, so I was facing a lot of problem while reading or learning language. So now I'm learning this language because of all of you guys, and you are supporting me. You are motivated me to learn this language, and so I'm very happy to learn this language. And you can say this is my childhood dream, and so that's why I'm learning this language, man.
Yeah, it sounds pretty good because whenever you are speaking, so you are speaking fluently, you are speaking with your confidence. So definitely, I can say that it's going good. And especially for me, whenever I watch the student, people who are eager to learn English and who are giving their 100% towards the English, so it is good experience for me as well. Okay, so another thing is that how did you start learning, like what was the first step, because most of the people they are just thinking about learning English, but definitely there is a procrastination or excuses, or sometimes um, grammar
Yeah,
could be a daunting for them. So
yeah,
how did you start?
yeah, ma'am. But when I was child, so that time I was reading English. That's enough. I was reading, and after some year, I realized that this is not good for me, and this time if I do daily, so I can't speak English language, so and I can't learn. So I have friend. He is a English medium student, and he told me about this language, and he told me that if you want to learn this language, so you have to speak. Without this speak, it is not possible to learn. It is not possible to become a fluent speaker. So I said, okay, I can learn. So that day I have decided to learn this language, and you can say before 5 months I have started my uh, English journey to speaking journey. You can say.
But yeah, it's I can say that it sounds very good that you are speaking at least, because most of the people they are just thinking but they are not I can say that they are not able to speak. So are you practicing entire day? How do you practice English at
Uh,
home?
to be honest, I'm telling you, ma'am, I'm doing like this. Like whenever I get free time, I talk to myself. Sometimes I talk my daily routine, and sometimes I talk whatever I do daily. And whenever I get free time, then I use this app and this app. That's enough.
That, and how do you learn vocabulary?
Yeah, earlier I have told you that when I was child, so that time I was reading English book.
Okay, that's
But now
great.
now I'm reading, ma'am. You can see now I have a lot of English books, so you can say.
The way you are learning, it is excellent. I can say that outstanding. The zeal I can see, in you, that you have that zeal. You are enthusiastic for learning English. So definitely you will speak fluently and correctly as well. So my another question is that why do you want to learn English? What is the purpose of learning English?
My purpose is you can say this is my passion, ma'am, and you know everything about this language, it is language because it is a global language. So if you want to learn this language, so Uh, I'm also.
Okay, so this is your passion. So you just want to build your confidence and you want to speak in English. So nowadays, what are you doing apart from learning English? So what is your passion?
Yes, ma'am. I'm a student. So earlier, maybe I have told you that I'm a student. So I'm preparing for government job related to law because I wanna become a government lawyer.
Oh, great.
Yeah. And you can say now I'm a private lawyer. Lawyer, sorry.
Okay, so have you done your LLB?
Yes, ma'am. I have done
Okay, that's
2123.
2000.
2023.
Okay,
Got it?
2023. Last year you have done your LLB and now you are preparing for the exam, government exam. So are you taking any classes from online or offline?
No, ma'am, I have taken offline coaching because when I was doing my law, so that time I didn't go in my law college, so that's why you can understand I don't have much law knowledge about law, so that's why I have taken coaching. So there I go to daily almost since morning, and I studied there almost 6 or 7 hours daily.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, because you are 3 years. I can say that in 2021 and 22, it was also around about Corona. So your
Yes,
first year it was spoiled at
yeah.
home. I can say that about Coronas because first year definitely it is important for our learning.
That time I lost my first year and second year.
That's why I'm asking you. This is the great thing that you are taking sessions, you are taking classes for your LLB because if you don't know like a beginning of the LLB, then how will you do or how would you do further it? Okay, but yeah, if you are preparing for any competitive exam, so grammar is must. Okay,
Okay.
while you're speaking you are learning English, so you have need only for tenses, modal verbs and vocabulary and a few connectors, okay, idioms, phrases, so that is enough for you. But when it comes to speak about government exams, so definitely you have to need go further deep.
Oh, great.
Okay, so Sarvesh, it's good see you here and it's superb session with you and you have told about yourself so many things that you are inspired from Jadoo as well and one of your friends, he told you about learning English and you are doing well, you are doing super. Okay, just practice and be consistent, so you will be fluent, you will be okay with English.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you for your compliment.